So it's impacting test reliability. It's going to help improve that because well-maintained tests are more reliable and provide confidence in your test results, where I think cost is probably a little more obvious option here. When you have reduced maintenance costs and proactive maintenance, that can prevent a lot of rework down the line for your teams. Then overall, enhanced software quality is a big one because by ensuring that your tests accurately reflect the current state of the software, test maintenance is going to contribute to your overall software quality. And then faster feedback loops, you have efficient test maintenance that's going to lead to quicker feedback on any code changes, which means you can enable faster development cycles, faster release cycles overall. And then finally, this one's probably the most obvious, but increased efficiency because well-managed test suites reduce the time and effort required for testing, which leads to increased efficiency in the testing phase. Let's see a quick real-world example of how focusing on maintenance does improve testing overall.